Hi everyone, in front of me I have Xiaomi 12 Pro smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can add the number row on top of the keyboard on your device. So let me open up the keyboard real quick. As you can see, there is no number row on top of the characters. So let me go ahead and show how you can enable this number panel. So first of all, you need to open up settings. Here look for the additional settings, languages and input. Here just go for the manage keyboard, press on Gboard, choose preferences, and here just enable this switch, what that stands for, the number row. And as you will see, the number row appears right on top of the characters on this keyboard. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.